Alright y'all, so in today's video we're gonna replace this transmission mount. So I'm gonna remove the battery box, the intake, the strut mount, not the strut mount, but the track bar, and I should be able to get to it in a fuse box. I'm gonna have to remove the fuse box because it's bolted right here to it. But let's just jump right into it.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So we gotta remove this bolt, this bolt, this bolt, and this bolt. Alright y'all, and it's back together. Took about, I'd say 30 minutes. It wasn't that complicated. I didn't really talk too much because, of course, I didn't do everything to mini spec, and I don't want to tell you I do nothing wrong, but it's fairly simple. It's 3 bolts for the mount, and then there's a bolt that goes through that actually connects it to the transmission. So 4 bolts total. Remove the battery box. My battery box doesn't have bolts on the bottom of it, so that's why you didn't see me take it out. But 2 bolts for that. I got the dial back on, but 2 bolts for the fuse box. Remove the air intake, and in my case I have a track bar. I don't know why I keep forgetting it. Just track bar, but support the transmission, and it's real simple. But appreciate y'all watching this video. I'll catch y'all in the next video.